Hey people, it is Wednesday, the 11th of March. It is 6:30 a.m. and about 2 degrees Celsius. And we're in the middle of what will be a full day of heavy rain. There's a yellow warning in effect. Severe rainfall taking place throughout much of Wednesday, and also thunder and lightning are in effect. We might capture some thunder and lightning as we walk around on this early Wednesday morning. I think this rain will continue for about 12 hours at least. Maybe letting up in the evening tonight. The umbrella is definitely keeping my camera alive. Wow. Oof, we got a lake on the sidewalk here. Bit more of an ASMR walk than usual for me. That guy doesn't let a little rain stop him from doing his morning jog. Just crossed Jarvis. think if it was a few degrees colder, this would be snow and not rain. Just making our way west along Dundas Street East. Dark, damp Dalhousie Street. Looks like something will be going in this space. Restaurant, it says, 30 seats. Doesn't say the name of the restaurant though. Alright, let's go south down Church. Opening soon, Fresh Slice Pizza. It's nice to see some new restaurants finally filling up some of these spaces, these new buildings. Make this part of town feel complete again after years of construction. at the shooter. Oh, poor lady, just walking out in the rain without an umbrella. Oh, somebody helped her out. Just as I was thinking if I should do something, then that other lady stepped in to help her out. I can feel wetness starting to seep through my boots somehow. Granted, these aren't like rubber rain boots or anything, but I think they'd be able to keep my socks dry at least for a little while. Oh, I think I just saw some lightning. Holy moly, there's a full-on lake here. That's crazy. Just heard a little thunder. Alright, let's go this way. Walk along Queen. Whoa. Some wind kicking up now. It wasn't too windy until now. Like a river going around the corner here. I don't know if my boots can handle this. They're already failing as it is, just from being rained on, let alone walking through deep puddles. A lot of people having a rough morning today, holy. Still, I'll take this over a blizzard or heavy snowfall. kinds of people here. Heading into work at the hospital, perhaps. Let's walk past St. Mike's Hospital there. Richmond Street. Don't get splashed now. Man, you gotta wonder how those people feel right now. Those vents that blast the steam keep you warm, but they also get you all soaked. And on top of that, this rain. I'll try to wipe my lens just in case. It's hard to tell if it's got water on it or not. Alright, turned on to Adelaide. A few more puddles. downtown Young. I can pan up without getting my camera wet. Hoping by this evening this will have mostly blown over. I guess we'll find out. It's really windy here. We're surrounded by skyscrapers here in the financial district. A wind tunnel effect. Whoa. Whoa. This umbrella rarely goes inside out like that. Feels like a hurricane here now. Let's cut over to Richmond Street. Oof, my hand is starting to freeze. My umbrella holding hand. Well, I think I've maybe had enough of this. I'm going to start to wrap up the video here. And get out of this nonsense. I hope you enjoyed the early Wednesday morning heavy rain walk. A little bit of thunder and lightning appeared at one point earlier on. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these early morning crappy weather walks. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. And if you'd like to support the channel, there are links in the description where you can do so via PayPal, as well as via my merch store. Or you can also support the channel by becoming a channel member, or by sending a super thanks if you prefer. And you can find me on Instagram also under K Continuum. She had her umbrella in front of her face, so she couldn't really see where she was going. But thanks for watching, and thanks to all the channel members. And be sure to keep checking back, because as always, I will continue